My name is Bryan Petersen, and welcome back to Accountants React. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be doing a Simpsons clip, it looks like. I haven't seen this one before, so it should be good.
Will this horrible year never end?
We've never lost a year before, and I'll
2020,
be
2021, anyone? What is this?
Oh, January 1st. Better get going on those taxes, Nettie.
Oh, jeez.
Let's see, cash register ink. Well,
Oh,
that's a
Ned.
business expense, isn't it? Oh, but then I do enjoy the smell of this stuff, don't I? Better not risk it.
Daddy, what do taxes pay for?
Oh, why everything?
It's typical Ned. If you have expenses that are business expenses, if you think they're business expenses, then they're business expenses. You know, the majority of the time. There are cases where they're not, but you know, if you are spending money for your business or something on your business that's even remotely close to being for your business, then it should be a business expense. And if you're really unsure, talk to your accountant. But the first thing you need to do is to include it so your accountant knows to exclude it if you're not allowed to write it off, okay?
Policemen, trees, sunshine, and let's not forget the folks who just don't feel like working, God bless them.
Nettie, it's 8:45. The post office is going to be opening soon.
8:45? Here I am, yapping away like it's 8:35. Oop, can't forget the mints.
Getting your taxes out of the way?
No, just mailing out death certificates for holiday-related fatalities.
It's pretty dark.
All right, people, listen up. The harder you push, the faster we will all get out of here.
True. That is absolutely true. This is funny because this is exactly like when I started my accounting career back in 2004. I was sent to the post office to file tax returns. Luckily, this isn't a thing anymore. We don't file tax returns typically through the mail unless they're really, really old. And it was a lineup at the tax or at the post office. It was crazy. Not quite as crazy as this. But it was very, very busy on April 30th, the very last day to file taxes.
Sir, why did you wait until the last minute to pay your taxes?
Because I'm an idiot. Happy?
Of course, not everyone is an idiot. Some of us took our receipts and pay stubs to our accountants months ago. And at the risk of sounding a little smug...
Oh, help! Does anyone have a calculator?
Myron?
No. Will you look at those morons? I paid my taxes.
Oh, man. Taxes shouldn't take that long to do, to be honest, especially simple business taxes for sole proprietors or partnerships. You should have them within a week. And if your accountant can't get them within a week, then they're too busy and they're not really paying a whole lot of special attention to you anyways. So, although you hear that story a lot. You hear the story about accountants not getting their information back out to the clients or tax returns filed on time. And I really don't see an excuse with that, but it happens.
Over a year ago.
Dad,
What is it, sweetie? Did you see a scary picture in your picture book?
that was last year's taxes. You have to pay again this year.
No, because you see, I
Every year.
went ahead and-
Yeah, taxes
You're
every
right,
year.
I was counting forward from the last previous. No!
I put the tax forms on top of your to-do pile a month ago.
I have a to-do pile? March, how many kids do we have? Oh, no time to count. I'll just estimate. 9.
Homer, you know we don't have...
Shut up. If I don't hear you, it's not illegal. Okay, I need some deductions. Oh, business gifts. Here you go. Keep using nuclear power.
Homer, I painted that for you.
Okay, Marge, if anyone asks, you require 24-hour nursing care. Lisa's a clergyman, Maggie is 7 people, and Bart was wounded in Vietnam.
Cool.
There's actually many documented cases of people in the States. This is obviously American, but people in the States claiming children that they don't actually have. Some people even claim dogs and their household cats. It's really crazy.
Oh, no, you don't! One, get in there, drop!
Yeah, years ago, if as long as you had it mailed that day, it was post dated for that day, it wasn't considered late. Where now you don't have that. In Alberta, we have to file our taxes by, I think it's 9:59. It's midnight Eastern Standard Time in order for them to actually be accepted. We haven't done that in years to file that late, someone's tax return that late. But I'm not saying I haven't done it. I'm just saying I haven't done it in years.
So, Lenny, let's say you pull a thorn out of the Pope's butt and he grants you one wish. What'll it be?
Only one, huh? Well, I've always wondered what it would feel like to wear something that's been ironed.
That'd be sweet. What about you, Mo?
Gee, I was gonna say a night with Joey Heatherton, but an iron shirt. Damn, that's tempting.
What about you, Homer?
Well...
Homer Simpson, United States government.
Help! Somebody! Help!
So how about you, Bon? One wish.
This is an egregious miscarriage of tax.
That only happens in the States.
Oh, this is bad. This is really bad. You work and you slave and you steal just enough for a sweet lick of that shiny brass ring. Don't I get a lick? Doesn't Gil get a lick?
Simpson, Homer J.
Hey, put in a good word for old Gil, would you?
Mr. Simpson,
They're doing a really good job of making them look scary.
Tax returns per day. Did you really think you could fool it?
No, sir, I'm really sorry, sir. An older boy told me to do it.
You're looking at 5 years minimum.
No, sir, please. I can't go to prison. They pee in a cup and throw it on you. I saw it in a movie.
You won't be seeing any prison movies where you're going. Prison.
No, please, I'll do anything.
Anything? Well, that's a start. Agent Johnson, FBI.
I'm very happy to meet you.
From now on, you're going to work for us.
You're not going to go to prison for not filing your tax return. That's just not a thing. They will hound you. They will get their money eventually, but you're not going to go to prison. Only $1 million transactions, tax evasion, all that kind of stuff. Making a mistake on your tax return is not a criminal offense.
Okay, but could you pay me under the table? I've got a little tax problem.
Oh my goodness, that's so good. Is that the end of it? That's the end of it. Oh my goodness, yeah. Under the table. Oh man, let's talk about under the table. Never a good idea. Not for you. Not for the person that's paying you, because the person that's paying you is going to claim that, and if you don't claim it, the CRA is going to find out that they've claimed it as an expense and you're not claiming it as income. And if you haven't been caught yet, you absolutely will at some point in the future. Man, that was good. That was a good one. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you again.